Good morning, dear students. This is Pooja Pathak, your science teacher. So today we will study about indicators. So what indicators are, how many types of indicators, and how we can use them. So children, indicators which are basically used for testing acid and bases. I have told you what acids and bases are. Okay, so to test the particular substance is acidic or basic, indicators are used. So children, indicators is a type of a dye that changes color when it is put into acid or base. So basically it tells us whether the substance we are testing is acidic or basic by changing its color. So students, it is of two types. One is natural indicators and another one is man-made or synthetic indicators. So first of all, let's take example of natural indicators. So for natural indicators, first of all we have litmus. So children, litmus, it is a natural indicator. It is extracted from a plant called lichen. Okay, so it is extracted from a plant called lichen, and it is of initially it is of purple color. Purple means mauve color, you can say. So children, this solution is neither acidic nor basic. It is neutral. Then its color is purple. So what happens when litmus is added to acidic solution? It turns red, and when it is added to basic solution, it turns to blue. So natural color of litmus is purple. Okay, so it is made into two colors. Okay, it is made into blue litmus and red litmus. Okay, so it is in the form of paper, children. It can be in the form of paper also, or it can be in the form of solution also. Okay, so we can use in both of the ways, but the process is same. Okay, so we have here two litmus paper, blue litmus and red litmus paper. Okay, so these are the indicators. So let's see what blue litmus indicates. So blue litmus, acid turns blue litmus to red. Okay, so when the solution is acidic, when we put blue litmus, that blue paper initially turns to red. So we can find out that the solution we are testing is acidic. Okay, so for basic solution, if we have red litmus, so it bases turns red litmus to blue. Okay, suppose we have any unknown solution and we have put red litmus into that, and when it changes the color red to blue, so we'll comes to know that the particular substance, the particular solution is basic in nature. Okay, understood? So like for example, we can see, for example, a drop of baking soda solution. Baking soda, I have already told you, it is basic in nature. Okay, so it turns red litmus to blue, so we will find out that it is basic in nature. Okay, so children, here you have to note one thing, that to test a solid substance with dry litmus paper, it is necessary to make a solution of solid substance in water. Otherwise, the color will not be changed. Okay, so solid baking soda will not turn red litmus to blue. We have to first make the solution of the baking soda in water. Then we can use it for testing with the litmus paper. Okay, so now next let's move to next one, which is China rose indicator. It is also a natural one. Okay, it is also called as gudhal ka phool in Hindi. Okay, gudhal you have seen. So initially it is light pink in color. Okay, like litmus we have seen, it is purple in color. So this China rose gudhal, it is in pink in color. Okay, so let's see how we can test this. So what China rose is a pink color solution. It is extracted from red flowers of China rose plant. with water. So what it does, children, acid turns China rose indicator to magenta. ठीक है, ये चाइना रोज इंडिकेटर क्या करता है, एसिड को किस में चेंज कर देगा, डीप मैजेंटा में. इनिशियली इट इज पिंक इन कलर, वी कैन से लाइट पिंक, एंड व्हेन इट रिएक्ट्स विद एसिड इट चेंजेस टू magenta, which is called as deep pink color. And when bases are added, it turns China rose indicator to green color. किसमें ऐड कर देता है, it is green in color. Okay, so understood. Initially the China rose is pink, and when base is added it changes China rose to green color. Okay, so now if we take an example, like if we put a drop of solution, any like baking soda, if we put in a indicator like in China rose, the solution becomes green. So we will find out that that baking soda is a base. Now next, third one, we can see turmeric. It is also one of the natural indicator like haldi. So this you have observed when you are eating your lunch. If you got any stains on your dress, on your shirts, when you go to wash your shirts with the help of soap, that stain which turns to red. You have often observed this. So why this is better? Because turmeric is a natural indicator. So turmeric turns red in basic solution. ठीक है, अगर वो basic solution से react करेगी, initially it is yellow in color, and when it reacts with bases it turns to red. And turmeric paper is yellow in acidic solution, and in acidic solution it does not change its color. Suppose that if we put acid in turmeric, the color is not changed, it remains yellow. Okay, so this is how we can find out the particular solution is given is acidic or basic. Now children, these three are natural indicators. Hope you understood this. ठीक है, litmus, China rose and turmeric. So these are natural indicators. Now one is phenolphthalein, another one is phenolphthalein indicator. So phenolphthalein is not natural, it is man-made acid base, I can say synthetic indicator. It is initially colorless. Okay, it is initially colorless, and when phenolphthalein is added in acid it remains colorless. Okay, if we add acid in phenolphthalein, it is initially of colorless, it is initially has no color, and when acid is added it gives us no color, and when base is added in phenolphthalein indicator it gives us pink color. Okay, so children, with this phenolphthalein we will also conduct neutralization reaction, which I will tell you in the next video. I hope you understand. If you have any queries, any question, you can comment me or you can ask me later during the class. Thank you. Thank you so much, students.